Ready? Okay, now tell Mom.
I got this, everything.
So what do you think of it?
And then the day is dinosaurs.
What'd you get? Show me.
I get a T-Rex.
Who's that on the cover? Is that Dolores? And Buddy?
Morris over. That's that.
Oh, that's Morris?
Yeah, more.
And what's that?
Buddy.
That. And then what's that?
It's a book. And now you do this.
Well, come back here so do it in front of the camera.
And now everything is the water dinosaur dancing on the moon.
Oh, they're dancing on the moon?
Dancing.
That's a neat storybook.
And
what's this?
That is my game. I love this game.
It's a dinosaur. You have to dig it out.
Are you going to be a paleontologist?
Oh, boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And dig your own dinosaur bones?
And what do you say to the person who got you this stuff?
It's always for me, Granny, to play with me.
You gotta tell him thank you. Tell him thank you.
Thank you.
Tell the camera.
Thank you.